How to deactivate a Device Administrator app on your Android phone. This quick tutorial will show you the exact steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Depending on your device, this option may also appear as Security or Privacy and Security. Now, look for More Security and Privacy and open it. On the next screen, tap Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of apps that currently have Device Administrator permissions enabled on your phone. Select the app you want to disable, then tap Deactivate or turn off the toggle next to the app name. Once confirmed, the Device Administrator permission will be removed from that app. That's all you need to do to deactivate Device Admin Apps on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips, security settings guides, and step-by-step tutorials.